Here, at Stavros and Plants, we're committed to developing novel plants that combine appealing characteristics with pest resistance and environmental adaptability for the landscape and container use. The breeding journey begins with a plausible solution to a problem or the conception of a novel idea. Let's use Abelia as an example. Abelia is known for its long bloom cycle, fragrant flowers, and disease resistance. However, it is hardy only to zone 6 and requires frequent trimming. Therefore, we have been working to increase hardiness and minimize maintenance. Once we have identified our objectives, the next step is to screen and select the best suited parents for the desired goals. We use traditional pollination techniques. We emasculate, which is the removing of the anthers from one flower and then using pollen from another plant. If the plants are compatible, we get hybrid seeds, which we then proceed to grow and evaluate. Some of the crosses we attempt are harder, and we must bypass infertility barriers, early abortion of hybrids, and different blooming periods between parents. Our team of breeders is well trained across disciplines to resolve some of these challenges using a variety of laboratory techniques. For example, we use embryo rescue, a technique that can be understood as intensive care, or what would be the C-section for plants. With this technique, we take immature seeds that would naturally abort and place them on a special nutrient media to promote growth and development of a healthy mature plant. Using advanced laboratory techniques in combination with traditional breeding, our team develops the beautiful, resilient, and low-maintenance plants that you find in our pipeline. Our hybrids are screened in nursery containers and field conditions prior to advancement to our commercial comparison trials. They're only released if they prove to perform better than their peers across different environments. Our passionate team of breeders enjoys both the artistic and the scientific side of creating new plants to color the world.